In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up an online store or simply managing your business's e-commerce capabilities, adding a payment method is an essential step that makes your website functional and customer friendly. So let's jump right into it. To begin, make sure you navigate to Weebly's website. This is the free website builder where you can create websites and online stores with relative ease. You'll need to access your Weebly account to proceed, so go ahead and log in with your email and password. If you're already a Square user, you'll be familiar with this interface since Weebly integrates seamlessly with Square services. Once you've entered your details, click on the Log In button to access your account dashboard. Now that you're in, your next step is to head over to the Overview section of the dashboard. The overview provides you with a glance at your site's activities and is your main hub for managing different aspects of your Weebly website. From this overview page, we need to dig a little deeper to configure payment settings, so let's move on to the Settings tab. You'll find this on the sidebar. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a new set of options specifically tailored to your site's details and preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Checkout option. This is where you'll select and manage how customers can pay for products on your site. Checkout serves as the control panel for all your payment methods, and it's crucial you set it up correctly to avoid hiccups in transactions. After selecting Checkout, you'll see a range of payment options available to you. At this point, take a moment to consider which payment method suits your business needs best. Weebly supports several, but one popular choice is Stripe, which is known for its ease of use and integration with various online platforms. If you decide on Stripe, click Connect to proceed. You'll be prompted to either create a new Stripe account or connect to an existing one. Creating a new account might be necessary if this is your first time using Stripe, and the setup is guided and straightforward, helping you enter the needed information without a hassle. Alternatively, if you already have a Stripe account, simply select the option stating I already have a Stripe account and then click Connect. This will link your Weebly site to your existing Stripe account, allowing you to effortlessly manage payments from there. And there you have it. In just a